space around the div tag so that you can see clearly what's happening. Now it compares to the web page, the conversion of the web page. Let's run that. Number 2. Next, we will enclose the nav h2 and UL in another div and give it a class attribute of nav. So the nav bar h2. So class of nav. Okay, so number 3, finally enclose the company h1, the h3 paragraph and video elements inside a third div with the class attribute of main. Feel free to use the code below as a guide. So starting from h1 to video. So right through video. So h1. And this is we should add a class attribute of main. So let's run that. Right. Those 3 div tags have made quite a difference to our web page. It says here there will now be a total of 3 divs on the web page. On the page, the div with the container class contains the divs with the nav and main classes. Run your code. The file main.css contains CSS styling for the container, nav, and main classes, which enable page elements to change. If you're curious, explore main.css for fun. We will learn how CSS works later in the course. We could just, like, for instance, take one of the h1 tags and change the color. For instance, red. And what else can we change? Let's change the p tags to contrasting colors, maybe. Yeah, because the p tags look a bit dull. So I don't know. Let's just make it blue. Yeah, and it's the font size is a bit small, so let's just change the font size to 30 pixels. It looks a bit better. It's actually a bit too big. Just make it pixels. Yeah. Right. Okay, so let's move forward. Right, metadata, the brains. The last HTML elements we will explore involved in metadata processes. You can think of these elements as the brains of a web page because they communicate vital information to the web browser, but are not visible to a web page visitor. The doc type HTML tells the web browser to expect an HTML document. HTML body tags, or the HTML tags, the root of the HTML document and parent of all other HTML elements on the web page. The head tags enclose other metadata about the site, such as its title. Title tags contains the site's title, which is one way users can find your site through a search engine like Google. Meta Trosset UTF-8 tells the web browser which character set to use. In this case, the character set is the UTF-8. Right, so instructions identify the HTML head, title, meta trosset, elements, and doc type declaration. Right, so there's the HTML elements, there's the meta trosset, there's the title tags. Right, div tags, you name it. The HTML tags, the body tags. That's it. Let's move forward.